Okay. As you can see, I've taken out the engine, and now I'm going to start taking this thing apart. Let's have a look inside, see what's going on. Oh, looks like something's been inside. See all the pit marks? Something's gotten in. Oh, big time. O-rings also not the greatest there. Let's take these off. Let's come on. There we go. So, let's look in here. There's one score there. Quite a deep one. Right there. Top of the piston now. Here's the culprit. That's funny. There's the culprit. Yeah. And there's the culprit right there. Still stuck in. That's what's been making that scoring mark. See if I can pull it out. Nope. Okay. Come on. Got it. That's it there. That's it. That's caused all the damage. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's damaged the piston. Oh boy. Did it damage the piston? Holy cow. Okay. That's the damage. I think one of these snap rings broke, and that's what caused all the damage and came up. So yeah, it's pretty significant. What amazingly, that is not too damaged compared to the piston, and still damaged. Needs a new kit. Or see if I can get a oversized piston for this, but I know from doing the other engine with the Molossi 310, it's already a little bit different. So maybe they've already discontinued this one, which happens quite often. Oh, we'll see. We'll give the client a call and see what he wants to do. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate. Thanks. See you in the next one. All fixed and back together and running smooth.